Winters are here and so is the shadi season, which means it's the perfect time to put your red lips on. Hi, I'm the Gleaming Goddess aka Preeti, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this look. This look is actually inspired by one of the recent video by Hindash. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correct, but Hindash is honestly one of my inspirations. He's one of the artists that I absolutely adore. Every little detail, every little thought that he puts into his video do not go unnoticed. I have been watching him for years, so I thought this is the right time and right season to recreate this look. Now, the catch is he uses a lot of expensive products which I do not have access to, and I'm sure not everyone has access to those expensive products. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है that you cannot create that similar look, that flawless base without an expensive range. I have used affordable makeup products in this video, so you know ये look create करना achievable है और बहुत easy है. You do not have to get the same products as me or as Hindash. Skills matter a lot more than the products you are using. You can use whatever you have in hand. So without any further ado, let's get started.
सो दिस इज़ वॉट वी आर वर्किंग विथ. मैंने पहले ही अपने स्किन को हाइड्रेट, मॉइस्चराइज़र और प्राइम कर लिया था, एंड आई एम यूजिंग अ लिक्विड फाउंडेशन विथ अ मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड आई एम इवनली स्प्रेडिंग इट आउट ऑन माई स्किन. Here my goal is to achieve a skin like finish, and I'm not very much concerned about the coverage. Rather, I just want an even layer of coverage. तो अगर मुझे कहीं पे लग रहा है कि कवरेज ज़रूरत है ज़्यादा अपने स्पॉट्स पे, एक्ने पे, आई विल गेट बैक टू इट लेटर. मैंने फाउंडेशन को अपने ब्रश पे बहुत इवनली अप्लाई किया एंड देन आई वेंट अहेड विद ब्लेंडिंग इट ऑन माई स्किन. इट इंश्योर्स दैट आई गेट एन इवन कवरेज. Whatever is left on the brush, I will take it on my forehead. I do not like to apply a lot of product on my forehead because it tends to crease and sweat a lot. Now I'm taking a cream contour on my plate and warming it up. The thing with cream products is that you always need to warm them up so that you can blend them effortlessly on your skin. My goal here is to add dimension to my skin and make them look chiseled, so I will place it according to my face shape. I am also using my fingers to blend out wherever I feel कि वहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा softness चाहिए. Now I'm using this yellow shade to like conceal and brighten up my under eyes. I had already done color correction under my eyes, so this will ensure that my eyes look brightened up and evenly covered. I am using a dense flat concealer brush to evenly apply it on my under eyes, and then I'll use my finger to blend out any harsh lines or any harsh edges that I might see. I'm using the Inside Color Corrector palette, by the way, but this is really creamy, and for the price I think it performs very well. You can clearly tell the difference between both the eyes. Now I forgot to record this part, but I used a cream lipstick and mixed it with my moisturizer to create my blush, patted down the excess product from the brush, and then I applied it on the high points of my cheek, nose and chin area. Hindash used a red eyeshadow and mixed it with his moisturizer, but I think given the type of skin that I have been having these days, वो method थोड़ा patchy हो जाता मेरे लिए. देन मैंने कंसीलर ब्रश से दोबारा से अपना थोड़ा स्किन पे स्पॉट कंसील किया जहाँ भी मुझे एक्ने लग रहा था, एंड आई ब्लेंडेड इट विथ माई फिंगर्स. Then I used a compact powder to set the T-zone of my face, especially around the mouth and smile lines, because that's where I tend to crease a lot and get a lot of oil production. Now for brows, Hindash used a brow pencil which I didn't have, so I used a brow gel tint. On the lids, he used a coral light champagne sort of a highlighter on the lids, but I did not have that. Plus, I think that wouldn't have worked well with my skin undertone, so I used a gold champagne shade on my lids with my fingers first, and then I used a precise flat brush to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. I also took that shadow on the inner lower waterline just to make the eyes pop, and you can clearly see the difference between both the eyes. To enhance the eyes even further, he used a mascara and individual lashes. Now, I'm not a fan of individual lashes, so I just went ahead with my lash curler, and see the difference in both the eyes. मैंने left eye पे किया था, your left, okay? Then I went ahead with a volumizing mascara which I applied off camera. मैंने lips पे थोड़ा lip balm apply किया हुआ था, so I removed that and used a brown lip liner. You can use anything. And then comes the star of the show, this red lipstick from Maybelline. I will drop all the product details in the description box below. This lipstick is so creamy, it glides effortlessly. Hindash had also used a lip gloss, but I was not feeling it, so I skipped that. But yeah, that was my final look.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!